Hi guys, this is Tech Mentors, and in this video I will show how you can set up autosave and auto refresh in VS Code. You don't have to install any plugin, and this works for 100% sure. Let's write a simple code for H1 heading, and now press Ctrl S to save and click on refresh. Now we can see the output. We are not here for this, so let's set up autosave and auto refresh. Go to File, then check autosave option. Now go to head section of HTML and write meta tag and put HTTP and content property. Set content value to 1 second for auto refresh. Control and save these changes. Now let's test this. I'm changing in H1 tag, and you can see the changes are automatically getting reflected in output page also. If this video was useful for you, then do like and share this video. Thank you. See you in the next video guys. Bye bye.
Every day I want your touch, and every way I can't get enough.